Imagine turning on your PC and it instantly knows what you need. No typing, no clicking. Just pure smart AI built straight into Windows. That's Microsoft Copilot. And stick around because at the end I'll show you some unbelievable examples of what it can already do. Microsoft didn't just bring back another assistant. They revealed something much bigger, an AI that connects with everything inside Windows. Instead of being a separate tool, Copilot sits inside your system like an extra brain. It understands what you're working on. It reacts to what's on your screen, and it can guide you through tasks that normally take forever. Microsoft calls it Copilot, and they built it so it can jump in whether you're writing emails, researching, solving homework, editing photos, planning a project, or figuring out why your computer is acting weird. Cortana was basically a voice helper. But Copilot is a full AI system. It uses advanced models that can read text, recognize images, understand context, rewrite content, and help you take action. For the first time ever, Windows doesn't just wait for your commands. It works with you. It feels like having a small team living inside your PC. The secret behind Copilot is the new NPU, or Neural Processing Unit, inside modern PCs. This chip is built specifically to run AI features locally. Because of this, Copilot works faster, responds instantly, and doesn't rely on cloud servers. You get lower delays, better performance, and more privacy. Even without internet, Copilot can still help you understand documents, generate ideas, or tweak images. When you switch apps, open files, or highlight text, Copilot can guess what you're doing. If you're writing something stressful, it can rewrite it. If you're designing something, it can suggest layouts. If you're coding, it can finish functions or fix errors. This kind of AI running directly on your device changes everything. For the first time, your computer isn't just a machine. It feels like it's paying attention. Copilot helps with nearly every part of daily computer use. Messy desktop? Copilot organizes files based on content, not just names. Long PDF? Copilot gives you a clean summary within seconds. Need to write something quickly? Copilot can create a full draft in your tone. Forgot what a file was called? Just describe it. But it goes further. It can adjust PC performance settings, boost battery life, and fix problems you didn't even know were happening. Need a slideshow by tomorrow? Copilot builds one. Need a resume immediately? It generates a polished layout. Need an idea for a video, script, or design? It brainstorms with you. The best part, all of this happens inside Windows without installing extra apps. Your PC becomes your assistant, your editor, and your creative partner all at once. Microsoft also introduced a new generation of devices called Copilot PCs, and these machines take everything even further. They come with NPUs that can handle trillions of AI operations per second. The goal is to make AI feel seamless, like it's part of every action you take. Features like Recall allow your PC to pull up anything you've seen before, like screenshots of past windows. Live captions can translate audio instantly while you're listening. Co-Creator lets you generate images straight inside apps like Paint. These features don't just make Copilot better, they completely shift how you interact with your device. Microsoft believes that the next era of computers isn't about faster processors. It's about smarter systems. Having a PC that understands almost everything you do raises big questions. How much information should it keep? What should it forget? Microsoft says most AI processing happens locally on the device. That means more privacy than cloud systems. But still, a PC that can remember your actions and understand your patterns feels both powerful and slightly intimidating. It's like having a super intelligent roommate. Some people love the convenience. Others worry about how far AI should go. This is why Copilot is such a major turning point. It's not just improving computers, it's redefining what a computer is. Whether you're excited or nervous, one thing is clear. We're entering a new age where devices learn from us instead of just serving us, and that changes everything. Microsoft has huge plans for what Copilot will become. They want it to personalize itself to your routines. Soon, Copilot could automate tasks you repeat every day. It might fully integrate with apps that weren't even designed with AI in mind. Imagine joining a video call and Copilot automatically taking notes. Imagine creating 3D designs with simple instructions. Imagine generating full videos or animations directly from your desktop. As AI grows, Copilot will evolve with it. Every update will make it smarter, faster, and more helpful. And this is only the beginning. We're watching the birth of computers that don't just follow instructions, they understand your goals. And that's Microsoft Copilot, the AI that's changing how we use Windows forever. Love it or fear it, this upgrade is huge. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about Google Document. This is artificial Adamina. The future is here and it's not slowing down.